Good morning, students. In the last class, we have discussed about density. What is density? Mass by volume. I have given you problems to solve them. Okay, some problems I have given them to solve. Now let us say another model of solving the problem based on density only. Okay, look at here, page number 28, the seventh problem. A water tank, your seventh problem on your textbook. Okay, a water tank measures 2 meters into 4 meter into 5 meter. Okay, that means here a water tank measures 2 meter into 4 meter into 5 meter. That means the length, breadth and height of a water tank is given. Here what is your length, breadth and height refers to? It refers to a physical quantity called volume. Okay. Volume of a water tank is given as 2 meter into 4 meter into 5 meter. What mass of water can it contain? That means mass we need to find. Density of water is 1000, it is given kg per meter cube. In the last class I have told you children, all the physical quantities must be in the same system. kg refers to which system? MKS system. Here meter, meter, meter. Which system it is? MKS system. Okay. Now we need to find mass. Substitute in this formula. Density is given. Density equal to mass by volume. How much is the density? 1000 equal to mass is, I don't know the mass. Volume is 2 into 4 into 5. Look at here. 2 into 4 into 5. 5 fours are 20. 20 into 2. 40. That means 40. Okay. Now I want mass. Cross multiply. Here nothing is there means 1. 1 into m is m equal to 40 into 1000. Okay. Now for simple sake I am writing the zeros as 10 power. 4 into 10 power. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Here one more 0. 10 power 4. Mass is, we will measure it in kgs. Okay. This is the solution for your problem 7th one. Okay. First he has given a volume of the water tank is 2 into 4 into 5. Mass we need to find out how much mass of water it has taken. Density is given. Density equal to mass by volume. Density is how much? 1000. Mass I don't know. I have substituted the volume. 2 into 4 into 5. 5 fours 20 into 2 is 40. After calculating 4 into 10 power 4 kgs. Okay. Now look at 8th problem. Eighth one. An object has a mass. That means the given data is mass is 20,000 kgs. Okay. And a density of how much? 4,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Okay. What is its volume? Now what we need to find? Volume. Okay. Again the same formula. Mass is given, density is given. We need to find volume. Look at here. D equal to m by v. Density is 4000 equal to m is 20,000 by v. Say v, you take it to the other side. V equal to 2 into, I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 power 4. Okay. By 4, I am writing how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 into 10 power 3. Okay. Look at here. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That means 1 by 2 into 10 power 4. When this 10 power 3 comes to the upper side, it will be into 10 power minus 3. 1 by 2. How to divide? 0 to 5 is. That means 0.5 into bases are same. Can I add the powers? 10 power 4 minus 3 is 1. 10 power 1 is 10 only. Okay. This is volume. How do we measure in MKS system? These are all in MKS system only. Volume is meter cube. Okay. This is the way how to solve the problems based on density. Okay, children. Next. Look at the ninth one. Ninth one. The density of air is 1.3 kg per meter cube. What mass of air is contained? What we need to find? Mass we need to find. In a room measuring volume of the room is 2.5 meters into 4 meter into 10 meter. Okay. See children, this you do it for homework. Volume, length into breadth into height. That is 2.5 into 4 into 10. Meter into meter into meter. Meter cube. Now 2.5 I am writing 25 by 10 into 4 into 10. 10 cancels. 25 into half 4. 5 4s are 20. 8 plus 2 10. 100 meter cube is the volume. Now we need to find what? Mass. Applying this for substitute all these values in the given formula, density equal to mass by volume. We will get the answer. Okay. Try to solve this problem for homework, children. Next, look at 11th problem. This one also you do it for homework. A block of wood of mass of the wood is 12 kg. Floats in water. Volume of the wood is 0.016 meter cube. Okay. Find the density. D we don't know. Okay. Mass is given, volume is given. We need to find what? Density. Again substitute in the formula. Density equal to mass by volume. Mass is given, volume is given. Okay. After substituting, do the mathematical calculations, you will get the answer. Okay children. Now after solving all these problems, a small topic is left in this chapter. Tomorrow we will read a small topic called relative density and wind up this chapter. Okay children, thank you.